Hi friends, this is a quick tutorial about how to create staff paper using regular lined paper, notebook paper that you probably have at home because you probably don't have staff paper at home so that you can create your own melody. So you're going to take the piece of notebook paper, okay, and you know that the staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces. So you're going to take your pencil, or we know you don't use pen, so use your pencil, and you're going to just trace the blue line all the way. You can go to the margin or you can go all the way. It's totally up to you. And you're going to trace 5 of those lines. Okay. And then when you're done tracing those 5 lines, that clearly doesn't give you a lot of space. Now, if you wanted to, you could also do it landscape-wise, but then you lose your lines to make sure that you can make it that way. So if you do it this way, use a ruler, but Mrs. Miller likes to do it this way because the lines are already made. So then you're going to put a treble clef at the front and do your best to trace. Very good. And then you're going to create however many measures you need. Right now, I'm just going to make this one 2 measures long, and then I'm going to come over here and make another one and finish that off. And then I'm going to come down and I'm going to take 2 spaces as a break, and then I'm going to do 2 spaces, and then I'm going to come down and trace 5 more lines and continue on with my song. Okay? Of course, you know that at the end of your song, however many measures you decide to have, you're either going to do 2 dots and 2 lines, means you do it 2 times, or you're going to do 2 lines the end. So maybe you only do a 4 measure song and you decide to do 2 lines, which means the end, or you decide to put in 2 dots because you're going to repeat it. Okay? Happy composing!